Entity-based SEO, mastering semantic search and relationships. The evolution of search engine optimization presents a paradigm shift from the classical era of keyword-based strategies to a model that privileges semantic understanding and entity recognition. As we navigate further into the digital age, particularly in 2026, the mechanisms governing search engines have significantly advanced, now interpreting the web as a structure of interconnected entities rather than an assortment of strings or text fragments. This foundational transition delivers critical implications for how web content should be architected and optimized for visibility, authority, and long-term relevance. The departure from keyword-centric tactics is marked most significantly by the application of natural language processing, NLP, in search algorithms. NLP enables search systems to distinguish between discrete entities, a term denoting singular, unique, and well-defined objects or concepts. For example, the polysemous term apple is disambiguated based on context, differentiating between the consumer electronics company and the fruit. As a result, successful SEO now demands careful articulation of context and relevance, reducing redundancies and focusing on meaning and intent. Foundational to understanding entity-based SEO is the role of the knowledge graph. Google's knowledge graph serves as a conceptual map, structuring data as nodes, entities, and edges, relationships. This graph-based approach transcends mere text matching by mapping how entities relate, interact, and cluster within topic domains. For instance, content addressing sustainable architecture can be reinforced by strategically incorporating entities like LEED certification or thermal mass, thereby signaling comprehensive topic coverage to search engines. This networked approach not only enhances content visibility, but also establishes its credibility and depth within semantic networks. In this new landscape, the objective of SEO transcends short-term ranking tactics. Instead, it emphasizes constructing topic authority, a metric reflecting the exhaustiveness and interconnectivity of your content within an entity cluster. The recommended architecture for attaining topic authority involves building a cornerstone page, a centralized, definitive resource that encapsulates the main entity, and supporting it with satellite pages that elaborate on subsidiary or related entities. Such an architecture encourages the aggregation of topical relevance, solidifying a site's status as an authoritative source that is resilient against competitive displacement. Accelerating search engine comprehension further is the implementation of Schema Markup. Schema functions as a metalinguistic translator, explicitly defining entities, their attributes, and their interrelations in machine-readable formats. By integrating attributes such as same as tags, linking to Wikipedia or LinkedIn, about and mentions tags, webmasters guide the knowledge graph's indexing process, ensuring substantive recognition and enriching the possibility of appearing in visually enhanced rich results. Schema thus bridges the communicative gap between human-authored content and algorithmic interpretation. Finally, the advancing prevalence of GenAI-powered search interfaces and the resultant surge in zero-click searches pose strategic challenges. These scenarios often provide exhaustive answers directly within search results, eroding traditional click-based traffic. The defensive strategy lies in fostering your site or author status as a source entity itself. By adhering to principles of EAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness, content creators strengthen their entity's position within the search ecosystem, ensuring citation and visibility even in the absence of direct user clicks. This not only preserves, but also enhances digital influence by positioning the brand as a cornerstone of factual and authoritative knowledge. Entity-based SEO, thus, is not merely a tactical adaptation, but a holistic reorientation of content strategy towards semantic clarity, relational mapping, and authoritative signaling. By mastering these principles, content creators and digital strategists can secure resilient, future-proof search visibility in an increasingly sophisticated digital landscape.